Good morning everyone. We are going to learn today basic proportionality theorem. Now what is that theorem? If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. In this, line L is parallel to side BC and is intersecting other two sides of triangle at two distinct points that are P and Q. What is given here? In triangle ABC, line L parallel to line BC and line L intersect AB and AC in two distinct points P and Q respectively. Now we have to prove that AP upon PP, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Some construction is there. Construction: draw segment PC and segment BQ. Segment PC and segment BQ we have to draw. Now proof. In triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. These two triangles, which APQ and PQB. PQ is height. So these two triangles have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to equal heights. So ratio will be in their bases. So AP upon PB, which is nothing but equation 1. Here we will write areas proportionate to bases. And in triangle APQ and triangle PQC, here also height is same. Then area ratio of their areas will be AQ upon QC. Segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and PQC. Segment PQ is common base. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. This is our equation 3rd. Now, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Why? This is from equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, AP, this is equal to AP upon PB is equal to, and this ratio equals to AQ upon QC. Now, converse of basic proportion. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, this line is dividing any two sides of the triangle in same ratio. That means if this AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, then the line is parallel to third side. Then this line is parallel to third side. This is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now next theorem is property of an angle bisector of a triangle. This theorem says that the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of remaining sides. That means this is a triangle ABC. This angle bisector CE is angle bisector of angle ACB, which divides the opposite side into equal ratio. That is AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. We have to prove that. Okay. Now given in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersect segment AB in the point E. To prove AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. Construction: draw a line parallel Draw a line parallel to ray CE. This is ray CE. This is parallel line to ray CE. Passing through the point B. Passing from point B. Extend AC so as to intersect it at point D. We have to extend AC which intersecting this line parallel to CE at point D. Proof. Ray CE parallel ray BD and AD is transversal. Over this ray CE parallel to BD and AD is transversal. Therefore, ACE is equal to angle CDB. This angle ACE is equal to angle CDB. Why? These are corresponding angles. Equation 1. Now taking BC as transversal. BC. Taking BC transversal, ECB equal to CBD. ECB equals to CBD. These are making shape of Z. So these are alternate angles. Equation 2. But ACE and ECB, angle ACE and ECB are similar because they are made by angle bisector and it is given to you. Therefore, this CBD is congruent to CDB. As these two are same, therefore these two will be same. From equation 1, 2 and 3. In triangle CBD, side BC or side CB is equal to side CD. Why? Sides opposite to congruent angles. Now, in triangle ABD, EC parallel to BD. From where construction? AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. Therefore, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. Because CD and CB are same, we can write CB instead of CD. Converse of angle bisector theorem. If in triangle ABC, point D on the side BC such that AB upon AC is equal to BD upon CD. If in a triangle AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC, then ray AD bisect BAC. In a triangle, if this ratio AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB, then this ray EC is the angle bisector. This is the converse of angle bisector theorem. Now next theorem is property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Theorem. The ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Suppose these line L, line M and line N are parallel to each other and T1 and T2 are their transversal. See given line L, line M and line N are parallel. T1 and T2 are transversal. Transversal T1 intersects the line in the point A, B, C. T2 intersects the line in the point P, Q, R. We need to prove that AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Now some construction is there. Proof. Draw segment PC which intersects line M at point line M, middle line, at point D. Now we will get some triangles. In triangle ACP, line BD parallel to line AP. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. Equation first, basic proportionality theorem. Now second triangle is CPR. Again by basic proportionality theorem, PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. Our equation 2. Now conclude these two. AB upon BC, PD upon DC is common between two. So PD upon DC. Indirectly, this AB upon BC will be equal to PQ upon QR. So AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR from equation 1 and 2. Hence, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. This is our theorem. Now, you have to remember this. First is basic proportionality theorem. Suppose ABC is a triangle and segment PQ parallel to one side of the triangle AC. Then AP upon BP or PB is equal to QC upon BQ. This is our basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a triangle is given and it is said that PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR, then this segment will be parallel to opposite side. That is, in triangle PQR, PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR, then segment ST is parallel to segment QR. Next is theorem of bisector of an angle of a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. This is angle B, angle ABC. BD is bisector of this angle. If in triangle ABC, BD is bisector of angle ABC, then AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. Next is property of three parallel lines and their transversals. There are three parallel lines. Line AX, line BY, line CZ. These three are parallel lines and line L and line M are their transversals. Then AB upon BC is equal to XY upon YZ. One activity is given on page number 12. There are three parallel lines and their transversal. Okay, in figure AB parallel to CD parallel to EF and AC is given 5.4, CE is given 9, BD is given 7.5 and we have to find out DF. By property of parallel lines AC upon CE is equal to BD upon DF. Here you have to write by the property of three parallel lines. Now let's fill the values. AC is 5.4, CE is 9, then BD is 7.5 upon DF. Now you will cross multiply here and find the value of DF. Next activity. This is a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisects angle ABC. Side DE parallel to side BC. Then prove that AB upon BC is equal to AE upon EB. See, in triangle ABC, ray BD bisect AB. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. Now, again in same triangle, DE is parallel to BC and is intersecting on two distinct points to the two remaining sides. Then, AE upon EB is equal to AD upon DC. Equation 2. What is this? This is due to basic proportionality theorem. Now AB upon BC is equal to AE upon EB from first and second.